What's up guys, Ed the Boss Gamer here and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be carrying on with the super build, the Titanic. I will do another video today of the whatchamacallit? Oh yeah, of Thomas Hollyheads. I will do a shout out to him. But first, I need to finish this off, the Titanic. And if you hear rustling, it's my mum doing something, so she's making my bed in the background.
Changing the bed sheets.
Yeah. Okay, so get on with this. Put this like here. So now we do the top of it. I mean the floor, I'm going to do a little bit of a jump cut for it. Well, the top deck I am, because you don't really want to see that. It's just the top deck, it's the floor. I suppose you don't really want to see this, but it gives me a chance to talk because that pretty much was a jump cut video. Also, one of the super builds, the Falcon. So these are my super builds. This is my Titanic. Whoop, okie dokie. And I'm gonna use end stone for the whatchamacallit, the top floor. So I'll jump cut that. Wait, that's a bit too high. So here is this bit of the Titanic, and this bit will be really long, so you don't want to see this. You don't. So it'll be super long. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm gonna see you when I've done the floor. Alright guys, I'm back. I just done the floor. I actually made it out of endstone bricks instead of just endstone. I think it looks better. I did that little thing and alright. So we are going to gold there. And then loads of cobwebs. I need cobwebs. I'm very bad at keyboard. So anyways. Boom. Okay, good do. Okie dokie. So I don't need the obsidian anymore. All this. So I'll do like boom, 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 boom. Yep, so I'm just gonna put some pipes here because that's how the Titanic was actually thingy. I'll give you, for the viewers who are watching this, I'll give you a secret for the next one. Ice cream in something. It's gonna be in something. Ice cream in something. I'll give somebody just a free shout out, whoever guesses it in the comments. Thomas, not you, alright? Because you already told me what it is, so not you. Please no, otherwise I'll block you. I'll just put it like this height. Boom, boom. So this is how the Titanic actually was. It was like this. Boom, boom. I'll just fill that in gold. So that's how it's made, and then I need to go this. How about just like that? Okay, yep. I'll do another one here. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. I might just have to do part 3 of this, which I really don't do. I think one more. I think that's it. Let me just see. Yep, that's the same. And then I'll just throw this little bit in gold. And go boom, 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 boom. There. Need to do 2 more. I might have time. I think I'll have time. So this is actually what there was on the Titanic. There was like these massive pipes, and like the gas pipes, and there's at the bottom like boiler rooms. Boom, 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 boom. So actually, yeah, this is the. Okay, so now I just need to go like this. So, and I need to do one more. Wait. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Is this gonna be okay? Yeah, I'll just do it like this. There. Yeah, so there was like these pipes and they shut out things. I can't be bothered to do the inside. We're almost out of time as well. I have like 5 minutes left. But luckily for us, we are nearly done. Parrot! Oh, the chicken just laid an egg. Yeah. Oh, egg. Egg. Woo! Go. Yay! Woo! Chicken party! Wee! Wee! Yay, made an egg pie. Oh. Oh, I hit the parrot. Oh no. Again. Oh, it keeps moving, little thing. Oh yay, I got it. Okay. Well, I made a chicken pie. It's good. No, I'm not gonna do this. When you grow up, you are gonna be super chickens. Alright. What I need to do now is go like this. Oh no. Boom boom. Boom 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 boop. Boop 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 boop. Okay. After this, I'm just gonna have fun with the chickens for a couple minutes. Yeah, I'm actually just gonna make a fence for the chickens. This is what I'm actually gonna do. So, I'm surprised I'm actually so into these chickens. I just feel like I should be for some reason. Yep. Because I have an egg on me. Well, like 1 million. Those can stay loose. I'll just have these here. These. I'll have loads of chickens in here. Oh, come on, just... Sorry, chickens. If I go like this, boom! Will it go down there? No. There you go. Ah, wait, I'm gonna... I'll just do that. Woo! Okay, it actually made some. But I want more. I'll just do this. No, yay! I still have another 2 minutes left of this video, so actually no, 1 minute. I don't know why I'm doing this, I'm just making chicken. I'll add to it. And when you're a big boy, you can breed. Like cracky. Ooh, level 1. Okie dokie. I'll just go now. Subscribe, by the way, and hit that bell with your emerald fist, and comment section in the below. What do you think I'm gonna do? You only have about half an hour to do this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.